Hey guys, what's up? Today's time for another video. I'd call this video 10 plus, but I'm gonna take you outside. Come on, open the door, let's go. So, if you think this is not inappropriate or anything, if you are a kid who likes blood, I would recommend this video for you. See, so my Grammy is kittens, and we just found a cat. You see that cat that's biting that looks like smoke? His name is Smoke. That's what Grammy's named him. And he's biting a dead rat. He is hiding it, but... Oh, it's raining! Oh no! Not my iPad! Not my iPad! So, we're going to be looking from different angles and stuff. But, where is he? Okay.
He's not going that way.
That's him. Smoke-looking guy with black hairs, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Actually, I will be posting like a crap ton. Hope all those people who like Bouncy Castle, hope they like this, because this should be recommended for you. I have never seen somebody's iPad or iPod or whatever they watch me on actually watch me. I've only got like 20 videos. I'm not a good YouTuber, and I only have one subscriber. I mean, 30 views, 31 views on Bouncy Castle. That isn't that good. But, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And, oh, we will be pranking these cats with, cucumbers, I think tomorrow. And, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Bye-bye, fake mouse.